Baratza Vario introduces programmable timed and weighted dosing to the coffee aficionado at home. With a simple digital display and a full range of stepped grind adjustment, brewing with and repeating different methods and doses couldn't be any easier. Hey, Chris here with Prima Coffee Equipment. Today we're taking a look at Baratza's Vario grinders. With the Varios, Baratza has introduced a couple of new ways to grind and dose coffee at home. Right here in front of me is the Vario-W. The Vario-W actually grinds with weight. Underneath the groundsman here, there's a scale, a small sensor that detects how much coffee is inside the thing. Once you load that, you can easily tare the scale with the tare button, and then you're just getting the weight of that ground coffee. Now the other model of Vario, the simple Vario without the W, does a similar feature, but actually with time. So there are different presets, and you can tell the grinder how long you want those presets to run. So for this, there are 3 presets, 1, 2, 3, and each of those are programmable, so they correspond to weight. You choose a number, and then you can program in by holding that number down how much coffee you want the grinder to grind by weight, and it'll repeat that over and over and over again. So that's a really unique dosing feature of the Vario line, the Vario-W and the Vario. Now let's take a look at the rest of the grinder and see what it's all about. Here we have micro adjustments and macro adjustments. These are the ways that you actually adjust the grind, a very simple, intuitive way to adjust grind setting. Over here with the macro, you have 1 through 10, which is fine through coarse. Covers a full range of different grind applications, all the way from espresso to medium settings for Chemex, all the way up to Kalita, French press, cupping grinds, etc. On the other side, we have these micro settings. These are used to dial in. They're very small adjustments. So once you find the general range you're going for with the macro side, use the micro side to really dial that coffee in and get the grind just right for your desired extraction and time. So micro adjustments, macro adjustments, we have these different programmable ways of dosing, time, and weight. Let's take a look at the rest of the grinder. Underneath the hood, you can easily pop off that hopper. So easy to do with Baratza grinders, and look at the burrs in here. These are actually 54mm flat ceramic burrs. Now the Varios can also come with steel burrs. These ceramic burrs, which are really easily removable with the included burr removal tool, are preferable for grinding for espresso. So if you're setting this up for either home or commercial use to make espresso, you can stick with the included ceramic burrs. But if you're using the grinders for manual brewing instead, pour over or something like that, replacing those steel burrs is a really good idea, as they're cut and designed to really highlight manual brew coffee. So you can pop this back on pretty simply, really easy to work with for maintenance and cleaning, etc. Those burrs, the 54mm ceramic and steel burrs, grind just around 2 grams per second. So it fluctuates depending on the actual grind setting you're at, but it's about twice the speed of the Encore. So it's a pretty nice speed for a home grinder. The hopper up here holds about ½ pound, and the groundsman at the bottom here on the Vario-W holds about 5 ounces. Now, because it doesn't have the scale underneath, the Vario not W only grinds with time, holds about ½ pound too, so about 8 ounces of ground coffee at the bottom there. So this is the Vario-W. The Vario line is great for home or light commercial use, for manual brewing, for espresso. The timed and weight programming features make it great for easy, repeatable results. You can do the same thing over and over again. Adjustments are really easy, covers a full range of different applications. We find it works really well in cafes or homes. So this is the Vario line. We highly recommend it. We think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.